Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the next video. In the video, we will talk about excretory products and their elimination. Next continuation, that is the structure of nephron and the types of nephron. So, we will see the nephron. So, we know nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney, right? Nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. So, nephron structure starts here. So, this is called Bowman's capsule. What is the structure? The structure is called Bowman's capsule. The continuation of Bowman's capsule is proximal. So, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு convoluted அப்படினா வளைஞ்சு இருக்கிறதுனால இதோட நேம் என்ன அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா proximal. Name of this is proximal. Why proximal? Proximal அப்படின்ற wordோட meaning என்னமா? It is near, it is closer to Bowman's capsule. So, it is proximal and convoluted அப்படினு ஏன் சொல்றோம்னா because it is bended, right? So, convoluted and it is simply a tubule, right? So, proximal convoluted tubule. So, first is Bowman's capsule, next to Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule. So, இந்த proximal convoluted tubule ஓட continuation என்ன அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா so, here it will be little bended. Here it will be little bended. So, this is called Henle's loop. இதை என்னன்னு சொல்றோம்? Henle's loop. Henle's loopல இந்த particular portion நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம்னா descending limb. இதை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம்? Descending limb. Because the fluid which is present here is called nephric filtrate. இந்த fluid நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோமா? Nephric filtrate. In the nephric filtrate வந்து it moves down towards the limb, right? So, it is called descending limb. The loop together is called Henle's. The loop together is called Henle's loop. Henle's loop, and here the filtrate which moves up, so this is called ascending limb. This is called ascending limb of Henle's loop. So, first is the Bowman's capsule, next to Bowman's capsule PCT, which is nothing but proximal convoluted tubule. This entire structure is called proximal convoluted tubule, and the next one is descending limb. Why it is descending limb? Because the nephric filtrate flows down, right? So, that is why it is called descending limb, and then this is called ascending limb. Together they are called Henle's loop. Now, the Henle's loop, once again, this is called now this is called, this particular bending is called, this particular tube is called distal. This is called distal. Why distal? Because its location is far away from the Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule வந்து ரொம்ப தள்ளி இருக்கிறதுனால இது வந்து distal. Once again இதுவும் roll ஆயிருக்குலமா, it has bended, right? So, it is having the bending nature, so it is called convoluted. Distal, convoluted. Once again, it's a tubule, right? Tubule which carries a nephric filtrate. அதனால இதுக்கு பேர் என்னமா? Distal convoluted tubule. So, Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, descending limb of Henle's loop, and the ascending limb of Henle's loop, and this is called distal convoluted tubule. Shortly, we can call it as DCT. This is shortly called as PCT, and this one is shortly called as DCT. Next, the next structure is called, this one is called collecting duct. What is the structure? Collecting duct. This collecting duct is the final structure of a nephron which collects all the nephric filtrate, which is once again called as urine, right? So, in the nephron oda function enna pathona to make the concentrated urine. So, the nephric filtrate will be taken by all these parts of the tubule, and finally it will be poured into a collecting duct. The important information to note down here is the one collecting duct many nephrons will pour its nephric filtrate. So that's why it is called the collecting duct. The collecting duct will collect the nephric filtrate not only from the one nephron, it collect nephric filtrate from many nephrons. That's why the structure which is given here. So this can be one nephron, this can be another nephron, like that it can collect from many nephrons. So what are the structures? Bowman's capsule, PCT, Henle's loop and distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. Next we will be seeing the types of nephron. So next the types of nephron. We have two different types of nephron. One is cortical nephron and another one is juxtamedullary nephron. Juxtamedullary nephron. So cortical nephron and juxtamedullary nephron. So we will take the two different structures, which is cortex and which is, this one is cortex and this structure is medulla. Cortex and medulla, cortex and medulla. Cortex of which portion? Cortex of kidney and medulla of the kidney. Okay. In case of cortical nephron, here we know that it is called Bowman's capsule, and from the Bowman's capsule, what is connected? The portion which is connected is PCT, and from the PCT, what is connected? Bowman's capsule, PCT, Henle's loop, DCT and collecting duct. In case of cortical nephron, see all the portions, almost all the portions are present on the cortex. That's why it is called cortical nephron. Cortical nephron, suppose we want to define the cortical nephron, 80% of the nephron are cortical nephron. 80% of the nephrons are of what type? Cortical nephron. And in case of cortical nephron, there is no vasa recta. No vasa recta. What is vasa recta? Vasa recta is a blood vessel. What is vasa recta? We will be discussing in the next video what is vasa recta and how it surrounds the nephron. Okay, so vasa recta is not present as of now. You just remember this one. No vasa recta. So it is considered to be non-functional. In the nephron, it is considered to be non-functional. But you see, the majority of the nephrons present in our kidney is of cortical type. Unfortunately, it is a non-functional. Non-functional because there is no blood vessel that is called vasa recta, which is surrounding the Henle's loop. And the next type is juxtamedullary. If you take juxtamedullary nephron, see it is its location. Here you can see the difference, right? In the cortical nephron, complete cortex portion locate aayirukku, but juxtamedullary nephron it is present almost at the junction, correct? It is almost present at the junction of cortex and medulla. Cortex ku medulla ku junction la present aayirukkarnala indha nephron ku peru juxtamedullary nephron. And 20% total nephron la just 20% of the nephrons da enna type appadina juxtamedullary nephron. Juxtamedullary nephron. Here the blood vessel called vasa recta. Vasa recta is present. Vasa recta is present here. Vasa recta is a blood vessel which surrounds the Henle's loop, is called vasa recta. Here vasa recta is present, so you can easily tell that this is functional. Yes, this is functional. Okay. So here the basic difference between the types of nephron, one is cortical, another one is juxtamedullary nephron. The basic difference you can see say from the diagram itself, right? Because cortex la present aayinduna adu cortical, rendu ku cortex ku medulla ku junction la present aayinduna adu juxtamedullary nephron. So this is all about today's video. What we have discussed today, structure of nephron and types of nephron. In the next video I will be discussing the blood capillary which is surrounding the nephron and other details in the upcoming part. Like and share the video, subscribe to Vidya Lakshmi NEET and JEE Academy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.